As we say goodbye to the volatile housing market of 2023, what are the experts predicting for 2024? Hi, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and the realtor in the Bay Area, helping buyers, sellers and investors. Happy New Year wishes in advance. Let us take a look at what the real estate experts are saying. Prediction 1. After being sidelined for most of 2023 due to higher mortgage rates, buyers will re-enter the market due to all indicators pointing to interest rates coming down, making the market more affordable. Does this mean we will see interest rates fall back down to the low rates of 2020? Probably not. But we will most likely not see the high 8% rates we saw last year. Experts are also predicting we will see more inventory in 2024, mainly due to the sellers having to sell and not hold off any longer, waiting for things to change. This will create more listings on the market for buyers and create more demand. We are also expected to see more buyers purchasing fixer-uppers rather than turnkey properties. This is a new trend that proves more attractive to buyers rather than turnkey properties that need no updating. Of course, these are all predictions and not for certain. We all know the real estate market is volatile and we do not have a crystal ball. So, if you would like more housing market information for your area, please feel free to contact my team and me. Let us help you with your next strategic move, whether buying or selling. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.